Welcome to WARP Integrated System by TechVault Limited. The acronym WARP means Web Applied Resource Planning. Therefore, this system is designed to cover and decentralize all functions of the enterprise it is being implemented to. Although the WARP system covers many functions and consists of many subsystems, it always keeps the same user interface in its appearance and functions, thus ensuring ease of use. Starting from the top of the screen and in the blue bar, the version of the system and the name of the company in which it is installed are being indicated. Directly below the blue bar, we have a menu from which the user can navigate through all the screens of the system, and which is divided into 6 main categories. The file, from which we maintain the basic screens of the system as well as the static data of the system. The functions, from which the user has access to routine operations such as debits, credits, payments, etc. The search, from which several inquiries are made. The reports, from which we print reports useful for running and monitoring our company. The tools, from which we change the user password. And finally, the help, from which we request support. Below, there are some buttons that activate basic system functions, such as the Clear button that clears every entry on the system, the Save button that stores any change on the screen, the Back button that returns us to the previous screen, the Add to Favorites button which adds the screen to the list of the favorites for easier and faster access, and finally the Logout button which disconnects us from the system. Below we have the system screens on which we work, and along with their code and title on the left of the blue bar. In our case, for example, we see the screen with the title Entity and code Core 0030. By clicking on the triangular symbol, wherever this appears, a list of values opens up. Also, by clicking on the blue arrow, wherever this appears, the details of each listing opens up, whether it is a policy, an invoice, or a payment. On the right side, we have the Quick Panel menu, which can be hidden by pressing the hyphen symbol in the upper right part of the menu and shown again by pressing the gray square symbol at the bottom right of the screen. Within Quick Panel, we can change our working language. We can also see the user who is logged in the program, as well as the environment we are currently working on. The favorites list displays all forms that are currently accessed by the current user. By clicking on the symbol X, we can remove a form from that list. Further down, we can see a calculator application that helps us perform some basic calculations. Finally, we have the notifications field through which we receive various notifications from the system. On the lower part of the screen, we see the company to which this program has been licensed to.